Hey everyone, this is Dhruv from Tech Insider India, and today I'm going to tell you about the top features on Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. You get a triple main camera setup on the M52 5G. The main camera is a 64 megapixel sensor with face detection autofocus. Then there is a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens for creating a bigger frame, and finally there is a 5 megapixel macro sensor. Now of course this is a 5G smartphone that is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G processor. This smartphone by Samsung weighs just 173 grams and has a sleek frame. You get a side mounted fingerprint scanner on the smartphone, which is fairly snappy. As for the display, this is a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel. The screen also supports a max refresh rate of 120Hz, which is great for gaming. You get a loudspeaker setup on the smartphone which complements the display well. You get a 5000 mAh battery on the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G that supports 25-watt fast charging. So guys, those were the top features of the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and I hope you found this video helpful.